Welcome to practice set 4. Here I will give you some questions to solve and provide solution in later videos. This practice set is based on the while loop. The first question is, write a program to print factorial of a given number. The second question is, create a number guessing game between range 1 to 9. If the user input the same number guessed by the computer, then print you guessed it right and exit the program. The third question is, write a program to print the first 10 even numbers. The fourth question is, write a program to print square and cube of the first 10 odd numbers. The question number 5 is, write a program to print the pattern below. Here is the pattern, so you have to print this. And the question number 6 is, get 10 students' name and marks between 0 to 500. Now print only those students who have scored more than 60% marks. The question number 7 is, get 10 names, first name and last name. Now print only those names whose names are above 9 characters length. The question number 8 is, print the next 4 leap years after 2023. The question number 9 is, write a program to check if the word rotator is palindrome. The question number 10 is, this is last question, write a program to get 5 numbers from the user and print its average. इस ट्यूटोरियल में इतना ही. If you have any questions or query, please let me know in the comment. I will definitely help you. अगर आपको मेरी ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आ रही है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करें. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन, बाय बाय.